2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question: which state has decided to increase the green cover through extensive plantation over 1.30 lakhs hectares of land recently? Answer is Odisha. Second question was: who has been appointed as permanent representative of India to United Nations and other organizations in Geneva? Answer is Indra Mani Pandey. What is the name of Indian Venus mission which is scheduled to be launched at the end of 2023? Answer is Shukryan 1. What is the theme of World Allergy Week which was recently celebrated between June 28 to July 4? Answer is Allergy does not stop with COVID-19. Fifth question was: which IIT along with AIIMS doctors developed an app COVID-19 to track plasma donors who have recovered from COVID-19? Answer is IIT Delhi. Which state has launched Balram scheme to provide credit to landless farmers? Answer is Odisha. Which of the following day is celebrated as International Day of Cooperatives? Answer is July 4th. Eighth question was: who has released a book Future of Higher Education 9 Mega Trends recently? Answer is Venkaya Naidu. Ninth question was: which institute has developed a classroom to home teaching setup called Mobile Masterji? Answer is IIT Kanpur. And last question was: what will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as estimated by CARE Ratings? Answer is minus 6.4%. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we'll start today's video. Our first question is: who has been elected as the president of Iceland recently? Answer is option number 4, Guðni Johannesson. Recently, Guðni Johannesson has been re-elected as the president of Iceland. He has won his second 4-year term as the president of Iceland in the presidential elections held recently. He won the presidential elections with 92% of the population vote, with the second largest win in Icelandic presidential elections. Answer will be option number 4. Next question: which state or Union Territory will launch पौधे लगाओ पर्यावरण बचाओ और Plant Trees Save Environment campaign to reduce air pollution? Answer is option number 1, Delhi. Recently, Delhi government has informed that a 70 days campaign पौधे लगाओ पर्यावरण बचाओ और Plant Trees Save Environment will be launched from July 10 to July 26 from the National Highway, that is NH20, near ITO to reduce air pollution. During this campaign, nearly 31 lakh trees will be planted in Delhi. Answer will be option number 1. Next question: name the person who has received the 2020's Diana Award for humanitarian work. Answer is option number 3, Freya Thakral. Look into the image. This is Freya Thakral, a 13-year-old student of British School, New Delhi, and recently she has received the 2020's Diana Award for her humanitarian work towards the ragpickers of Delhi. The award is presented annually on the birth anniversary of Princess Diana. Answer will be option number 3. Next question: Ratnakar Matkari, who is in news recently, is dash. Answer is option number 4, writer. This is Ratnakar Matkari, and recently the government of Maharashtra has announced that the Marathi writer and playwright Ratnakar Matkari will be honored with the Natavarya Prabhakar Panshikar Award 2019 for his lifetime contribution to the theatre and arts. Answer will be option number 4. Next question: Saroj Khan, who passed away recently, was associated with which field? Answer is option number 2, choreography. Saroj Khan was a Bollywood choreographer, and recently she has died at the age of 71 due to cardiac arrest. Answer will be option number 2. Next question: India stands at which position in the world in terms of foreign exchange reserves? Answer is option number 4, 5th. As per the International Monetary Fund or IMF, India's foreign exchange reserves, which currently stand at more than 500 billion US dollar, are the 5th largest in the world after China, Japan, Switzerland and Russia. Answer will be option number 4. Next question: which global organization released the Global Education Monitoring Report? Answer is option number 2, UNESCO. That is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization has released the Global Education Monitoring Report, and as per the report, nearly 40% of poorest countries failed to support learners at risk during COVID-19 crisis. It also revealed that fewer than 10% of countries have lost to help ensure inclusion in the education. UNICEF urged all countries to focus on people who are left behind and improve inclusion. Answer will be option number 2, UNESCO. UNESCO long form is United United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. It is a special agency of United Nations that aims at contributing to the building of peace and eradication of poverty, sustainable development and intercultural dialogue through education, science, culture, communication and information. It was formed on 4th of November 1945 and its headquarters is in Paris, which is in France. Next question. According to the report of CMFRI, that is the Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute, which state has topped in the sea fish production in 2019? Answer is option number 3, Tamil Nadu. CMFRI, that is Central Marine Fisheries Research Institute, was established by Government of India on 3rd of February 1945 under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. This institute focuses on research efforts on creating a strong database on marine fisheries sector by developing scientific methodology by estimating the marine fish landing and efforts input. And according to this institute, Tamil Nadu has topped in sea production in 2019. Tamil Nadu is at the first position, Gujarat is at the second position and Kerala is at the third position. Answer will be option number 3, Tamil Nadu. Next question. What is the name of the longest train run by Indian Railways? Answer is option number 1, Sheshnag. Recently, Indian Railways created a record after it ran a 2.8 kilometer long train called Sheshnag. This is the longest ever train to be operated by Indian Railways. The amalgamation of 4 empty trains helped develop this 2.8 kilometer long train and then powered by 4 sets of electronic locomotives. Answer will be option number 1. Next question. Major General Nigar Johar has been appointed as the first female Lieutenant General of which nation's army? Answer is option number 4, Pakistan. Recently, Major General Nigar Johar became the first women officer in the history of Pakistan Army to be promoted to the rank of Lieutenant General. Answer will be option number 4, Pakistan. Pakistan, look into the map. This is Pakistan. Capital is Islamabad. President is Arif Alvi. Prime Minister is Imran Khan. And currency of Pakistan is Pakistani Rupaya. Next question. Which state or union territory government has recently launched an online portal LEAD for students? Answer is option number 3, Delhi. Delhi government has launched a e-portal or an online portal called LEAD. Long form of LEAD is Learning Through E-Resources, made accessible for Delhi. It has over 10,000 instruction material, and this portal or LEAD will make textbook study material and course content as per the syllabus of CBSE, NCERT and Delhi government curriculum accessible to students. Answer will be option number 3. Next question. In order to attract tourists to the tourist places of the state, which state has started Intezar Aapka campaign on social media platform? Answer is option number 2, Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh, in order to attract tourists to the tourist places of the state, Intezar Aapka campaign has been launched on social media platform. The Madhya Pradesh Tourist Board has been inviting tourists by describing the characteristics of each tourist destination in an attractive way with a tagline on social media platforms. Answer will be option number 2, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, look at the map. This is Madhya Pradesh. Capital is Bhopal. Governor is Lalji Tandon and Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Which state has become the first one with LPG connection in all the households? Answer is option number 3, Himachal Pradesh. Recently, Himachal Pradesh government has announced on July 6 that Himachal Pradesh has become the first state in the country where all households have LPG gas connections. Answer will be option number 3, Himachal Pradesh. Next, which state has launched a new spy satellite? Answer is option number 1, Israel. Recently, Israel Defense Ministry has successfully launched a new spy satellite. The satellite is expected to serve as the additional tool to keep tabs on many threats across the region or across the Israel. Answer will be option number 1, Israel. Israel, this is Israel. Capital is Jerusalem. President is Reuven Rivlin. Prime Minister is Benjamin Netanyahu. And currency of Israel is new shekel. Now answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following day is celebrated as World Music Day? Answer is option number 1, June 21. Every year, June 21 is celebrated as World Music Day to promote peace and spread goodwill through music. Answer will be option number 1. Now today's question. Question is, who has been honored with Point of Light honored by British Prime Minister recently? Options are Rajinder Singh, Amartya Sen, Ratan Lal and Javed Akhtar. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below or we'll discuss this question in the next video.